We welcome you all to the video of Art Integrated Project. Firstly, I am going to say about medicinal chemistry. Medicinal chemistry and pharmaceutical chemistry are disciplines at the intersection of chemistry, especially synthetic organic chemistry and pharmacology, and various other biological specialties where they are involved with design, chemical synthesis, and development for market of pharmacological agents or bioactive molecules. How drugs are discovered? Drugs discovery involves the identification of new target candidates for testing in humans for efficiency and safety. Clinical testing is part of development process where potential new drugs are selected for clinical trials. Drugs mostly are discovered from plants either in their original or semi-synthetic forms. Some examples of drugs are penicillin, insulin, morphine, acetaminophen, etc. How drugs act on human body? The action of drugs on the human body is called pharmacodynamics, and what the body does with the drug is called pharmacokinetics. The drugs that enter to the body tends to stimulate certain receptors, ion channels, act on enzymes or transporter proteins. As a result, they cause the human body to react as a specific way. What are the targets of these drugs? A drug target is a molecule in the body, usually a protein that is intrinsically associated with a particular disease process, and that could be addressed by a drug to produce desired therapeutic effect. The most common targets of the drugs are protein, G protein, coupled receptors, enzymes, ion channels, ligand-gated ion channels, voltage-gated ion channels, nuclear hormone receptors, structural proteins such as tubulin, membrane, transport proteins. Now I am going to say about the medicines extract from the herbs and its values. Caesarea castus. The name of the medicine extracted from the herb is Quastalindi powder. The drug is nothing but the powder obtained by crushing the raw roots of the herbs. The root exerts potent anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and analgesic effects beneficial to human health. Caesarea is a genus of flowering plants related to the textile that thrives in high altitude alpine climates, used for centuries in Tibetan medicines, traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda. Caesarea contains aroma compounds called terpenes that can alleviate pains and inflammation by suppressing the cyclooxygenase enzymes. This is the same enzyme targeted by steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like Alvid and Alvi. In alternative medicine, Caesarea is used to prevent or treat an array of unrelated health conditions including acne, heart diseases, high blood pressure, indigestion, intestinal worms, and liver problems. Sarcostema acidum. The name of the medicine is Pyrantel pamoate. The medication is used to treat intestinal worm infections such as pinworm, roundworm, and hookworm. Pyrantel belongs to a class of drugs known as anthelmintics. It works by making the worm unable to move so that the body can remove them naturally by stool.